Hey guys, welcome to AngularJS tutorial. In this session, we'll be learning how we can alert user saying that he's trying to enter a duplicate item into the list. So as you saw in our previous sessions, we have seen how we can save an item to a list or how we can remove an existing item from the list. So in this session, we'll be seeing how we can alert user if he tries to enter a duplicate entry. So let's just start. So what I'll do, I'll go here and I'll just add some text. Let's say say error message. Okay, and now I need to pass anything into this error message based on a certain condition when and what this error message should display. Okay, so let's go to the controller, and first we'll just copy this, and let's go here. And okay, this is the save functions where we need to put the condition. Like before saving, it should check if the item already exists, then it should not, allow the user to enter the item. So first we'll keep it as blank. Okay, okay, and then if scope dot items, scope dot items dot index of what the user is trying to enter, that means this one index of this. Okay, if this item, uh, we need to write it with scope. If this item, the index of this item is equals to -1, so just pay a little attention to it. Index of this item, what the user have entered into the input box. If it is -1, what does it indicate? The our index starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and it goes on, right? So -1 means the item does not exist, so it won't find the items index having -1 index, it won't find. So if the product does not exist into this list, so what it will do is it will allow the user to enter the item. That's when this action will be performed. Else, what we want to display the error message. So scope dot error message should be you okay, you have already entered this item into the list. Okay, okay, so this is done. So let's go and check, guys, if it works or not. So let's reload the controller and let's go to start.html. So uh-oh, error message, it has to be under this double curly braces. Save it. Gorgeous. Okay. Okay, I'll just add some items to it first. Suppose if I try to enter butter, so it should give me the error message because this item already exists into the list. See, it has come. You have already entered this item into the list. So what it did whatever I have entered over here, it checked for the index, right? And if it's -1, that means the condition is true because whatever we have entered over here, so the index is not -1. I meant index is not -1 because we already have butter here, right? So the index has to be 0 for this because our index start with 0. 0 means if index is 0, that means you already have one item into the list, right? So here it did not satisfy the condition of being index -1. So that's why we have got this error message which has been written into the else part. So otherwise, if the index would have been -1, that means there would have not been any entry, so it would have, you know, entered, the controller would have executed this statement. So guys, this is how you can use error messages to alert user. So see you next tutorial. Thanks for watching.